In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Stick War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The only requirement for you to play multiplayer battles in Stick War 3 is that you have an internet connection active. If you don't have Wi-Fi or mobile data, of course, you will not be able to be matched up with other people online. But as long as you have that covered, all that you have to do is go over to Play, so from the home screen of the game, tap Play, and you will notice that immediately you are thrown into the campaign category. All that you have to do here is switch over to multiplayer. You also have the single player option where you can practice and learn how to play, but for this video I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to go over to multiplayer. You will then be able to find the three main multiplayer modes. You have 1v1 multiplayer, 2v2 multiplayer, and then the daily co-op battle. So, as the name suggests, 1v1 and 2v2, it's going to be either you against someone else of the similar skill level as you, or if you go over to 2v2, it's you and someone else teaming up against two other people of similar skill level. So, you can see the amount of people who are queuing for each of these game modes right underneath the icon. So currently there's roughly 300 people on 1v1 and 400 on 2v2, and then you have the daily co-op battle, where it's going to be cooperative, so it's you and other people against some sort of powerful enemy. All that you have to do is choose the difficulty, you will be able to add it to your deck, change all of the options, and then start queuing up. The process of queuing up is the same for all modes, so all that you have to do is tap the battle option, usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Matchmaking is gonna go through, and this might take a while, so keep that in mind, but once you start the battle and you are matched up with the people who are going to be on your team or against the opponents, the match will start immediately. All of you will join a room together, and as you can see in this example, 3 out of the 4 players were already found. So usually it is quite simple, and this is all you have to do. Once you load in, you will be able to use the deck that you selected and start the battle immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to play multiplayer in Stick War 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.